Welcome to Whitehorse. I'm at the city center, staying in a very comfortable hotel, newly renovated, the Destination Family Hotel. Now, this is a very historic hotel with some interesting history, but now it's under new management, under new ownership. And they are renovating it and making things right. And the things I love about this hotel is number one, friendly staff, ready to help day or night. Number two, great breakfast. They actually can cook pretty much any type of breakfast you like because their staff so diverse on so many countries. Number three, free parking. They can even accommodate RVs. And number four, pet friendly. And number five, I can go on, but amazing rooms with great value, good price. Something I really enjoy about this hotel is the location. Anywhere, any attraction in downtown, only less than 10 minutes away. But even more interesting, they got something that other hotels in Whitehorse doesn't. Let's check it out. One of the things that's unique to this hotel is it's connected to a public laundromat. And it's, as you can see, reasonably priced. It's $2.50 for a top load, $3.50 for a double load, and $6 for a triple load. And if you forget your laundry detergents or your softeners, they sell them here. While you're doing your laundry, you can also grab a drink. They have the cheapest Starbucks coffee, $3 in all of Whitehorse. All right, so we can start with single rooms here. The bed's very big, queen size, perfect for single travelers who need extra space or a couple. Now, for me, one thing I like about this hotel is, first of all, they provide you with a fridge and a microwave. So for those of you who like to save money on takeout, you can always grab food from the supermarket, keep it fresh and warm up later. Tea and coffee is on the house, replenished every single day. And of course, towels are provided to you. But of course, if you want to save the environment, they won't change every day unless you request it. And most important for me is high-speed internet. I create lots of content for YouTube. But that doesn't mean it's the only option. Let's go and check out another room. So this is the double room because you get two queen-size, very comfortable bed. So it's perfect for two couples or a couple with children. And you know, very standard here. You get a TV with lots of international and local channels. You get basically a fridge. And one thing that's really nice about this hotel is you get a vending machine or really inexpensive drinks in every single floor. As well, as usual, housekeeping are done daily, and you know, if you want to help save the water, you know, you can reuse a towel, or you know, if you want it to be changed, they also respect that. With that being said, let's go to the other room. So this is actually another room, which is my favorite. It's not a room, it's actually a suite because you get a full kitchen with a full-size fridge and a countertop, and they provide all the utensils for you to make your gourmet meals. It's actually very popular with people with extended stay in Whitehorse, but especially with executive because the rooms are segregated. They have their own private bedroom, but at the same time, your staff who can be living in another room can come in and you know, have dinner and or have a meeting here, and at the same time they can close it off. And if you ask me where you can get your groceries, lots of options. This hotel is very close to like 3 different places you can get groceries. First of all, there's lots of takeout if you don't want to cook, but Shoppers Drug Mart's number one. They offer groceries, independent grocers, and also my favorite, where you get deals, Real Canadian Superstore. So this is a perfect suite for those of you who are staying for a long period of time, or if you're an executive who needs a little bit more privacy and at the same time a working space. So for those of you who come here without any cash, no problem. This machine accepts all type of cards and give you Canadian currency, so no need to exchange anywhere. And most importantly, this machine is a crypto machine. Okay, you can exchange any crypto and give you dispense cash, or will buy your bitcoins. So how lovely. Well, you have already heard what I love about this hotel. You already seen the rooms, and it's time for you to come and enjoy Whitehorse right here. So I hope to see you soon and have an amazing time in Whitehorse.